Beautiful day, Patriots. How are you? My name is Gregory Hamilton. I talk to Q, and Q talks back, and I teach how to read the Q drops correctly. There are 43 keys confirmed to the map. I have a dozen, possibly many more. You guys want to just see a coincidence? Could be a key, or it could just be a coincidence. Up to you. So we can see that Mike Pompeo has 1,186 tweets right this second. Let's go look at something. We go to QDOP 1186 and it says right off the bat, big air. Big air, huh? Well, if we go down a little bit more, the importance of this cannot be expressed more clearly. Future events. Oh, but look at here, it says Pompeo. Most senior official to visit North Korea. Future proofs past. Pompeo, do you think it happens to be the same Mike Pompeo that they're talking about? Is it this Pompeo? Did this Pompeo go to? And he's in QDOTs, huh? Well, I'm sure that's just a coincidence, right? Because it's just how many tweets he's got right now. And those tweets go to a QDrop with his name in it. Well, let's see if we can't just do future proofs past. Let's keep saying that we can read QDrops like a map, right? Why not? Let's just pretend, right? Right here we can see that the time on the Eastern, so everybody sees QDrops at the exact same time on the Eastern at 8:04. Let's go to QDrop 8:04. We're going to read it like a map, correct? Why not? We can go and see that in QDOP 804, it says Delta 6 confirmed, comms good, operational. What do you mean comms are good? You mean you can have communications within the QDOPs if it's set up like a sounding board? Oh, maybe. Well, anyways, let's go ahead and we can see that there's a 6 in the kill box here, correct? If we take 804, wind the clock, find the markers, timestamp and gap code. The Q can be read like a map, and we use the clock. If we take 6 minutes off of 8:04, that is 7:58, correct? 7 hours and 58 minutes. If we go to QDOT 7:58, we're going to see two things. One of the things is that we're going to see that it's September 7th right here. And I ask you right now, what is today's date? What is today's date? That is correct. It is September 7th. What does 1776 say? Should we go look at QDOP 1776? What do you think 1776 says? Oh, it's a pin. Without the pin of the author of the Common Sense, the sword of Washington would have been raised in vain. In other words, you can have all the violence in the world, but if you don't have a documentation or a constitution, or, more importantly, the Word of God in your life, everything else is irrelevant. Absolutely irrelevant. So just a quick recap. If we go to Mike Pompeo's page today, September 7th, and go to QDOP 1186, and then go to the timestamp, which says comms good, which then we -6 within the kill box, because we're going to read these things correctly. That gives us 758. 758 gives us the date of September 7th, which is today. I'm sure it's a coincidence. Until then, you have a great day. God bless you. God bless America. And God bless me, the dude that just coincidentally talks to Q.